you're never really going to get anywhere unless you broaden the pie, because right now it's a very small
Hmm.
ecosystem. We think it's big, but there's only 80,000 developers in the cryptocurrency space, and there's 25 million developers in the world. And the vast majority of economic activity is outside of cryptocurrency. So we still have a long way to go, and we still have a lot to build. And that's why we're broadening the pie by looking at real DeFi customers, not the yield farmer in New Jersey who's just trying to make a little bit of money, or the person like selling tweets. What we're actually looking for is the person who wants to get a loan, and they're a farmer in Addis Ababa. Or they're a person who wants to do a small scale project to bring power to their village or something, and they want to do a microfinance play for that. There's a real need for DeFi amongst the bottom 3 billion in the world. And what we're focused on is how do we bring those people into our ecosystem? And it's a humongous challenge. There's infrastructure challenges, there's identity challenges, there's issues with, reputation. There's cash in and cash out. You need to actually deal with capital controls and currency stability. It's a daunting task, and you measure that progress in terms of years. The things that we do in Africa usually are on a 3 to 7 year time horizon per project, and they're usually a public-private partnership. However, when you pull it off, you bring 5 million people, 10 million people, 20 million people, which is probably larger than the entire active user base of Ethereum at the moment for one deal.
Mm.
So we have a long horizon. That's why we tend not to care about the ups and the downs of the
Hmm.
daily stuff. And we say, okay, let's build something that when we look back 10 years, 20 years, we say it made a difference. It was very meaningful and actually brought real purpose to cryptocurrencies. And then people ask, well, what's the value in that? There's $5.4 trillion of liquid wealth just in Africa alone, where it's there and it just can't be accessed by the global markets, from human capital to real estate to natural resources to companies that are very valuable, but they have no liquidity because there's no stock markets and they can't IPO. There's so many things there that if only they could touch the global markets, they would enrich all of our lives, including the people who possess those things. And that's the point of these systems.